Hey, how you doing, guys? This is
Garage Door Genius coming at you.
Hey, if your Genie machine, Genie screwdriver, very common machine, happens to sound like this, if your Genie sounds like that, it's engaged. So it's not this piece, it's something else. And let me show you. Right here you go, guys. This is called a coupler. It ties the rail to the power head. So this is our problem. And it's located right up in there. So you gotta take it apart. Let me show you.
Warning.
So take the lens cover, light bulb cover off and take the light bulbs out. We're gonna wanna take these two nuts and bolts out. This is a 7/16 socket. Take these out. Pull this power head away from the rail, and that coupler is located right in between there, right back in there. I got those two nuts and bolts out. You can pull the rail out, and inside, right up in there, that's where our coupler is. So we want to pull that out. Typically, like a straight screwdriver, it pops right out. There we go. Let's get it out of there. So see how that's rounded out when it's supposed to look like that. So yeah, that's your problem. Just replace that. Get your new one. Get your new one right there. Just stick it back in there. Fits perfectly. And then just slide it back in there. See how that goes? It slides right in. Slide that back in. Reapply these two nuts and bolts, tighten them down, light bulbs cover, and you're good to go. So now that once we have that part changed out, the coupler, let's try this again. Well, that solved the issue. Thanks for following, guys. This is a pretty easy fix for most people. Thanks.